What is the difference between AHU and RTU in HVAC? If you look at an AHU and an RTU, they both look like big metal boxes that handle air. But are they the same? Absolutely not. Today we will look at the exact differences between an air handling unit and a rooftop unit, so you never get confused again. Location. The first and biggest difference is where they are installed. An AHU is an indoor unit. It is usually installed inside the building, like in a basement, a mechanical room, or between floors. On the other hand, an RTU stands for rooftop unit. As the name clearly says, it is an outdoor unit installed strictly on the roof of a building. Weatherproofing and components, how they work. Because of their locations, their design is different. An AHU does not need to be weatherproof because it sits inside. It also needs a separate chiller or boiler to give it cold or hot water. It cannot make air cold on its own. But an RTU is built like a tank to handle rain, snow, and heavy sun. More importantly, an RTU is a packaged unit. This means it has its own built-in compressors, cooling coils, and sometimes gas heaters. It is 100% self-contained and cools the air completely by itself. Conclusion. So to wrap it up, an AHU is an indoor box that relies on external chillers, while an RTU is an all-in-one outdoor package sitting on the roof. If this video helped you learn something new, smash that like button, subscribe to HVAC official channel,